the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of?
Hello friends, welcome back. Long time no see. I am going to be giving you guys so many updates and words that I have learned over the past month throughout this video. I am looking a hot mess because today we are going to be doing our very last video in this house. Very last video. I'm like genuinely could cry. I'm not even joking. Like, if I think too much about it, it makes me so sad. There is something so heartbreaking about selling your first house, and there's just a lot of changes that are coming with us selling this house. Not just moving, but you know, moving into a complete fixer-upper home, moving in with my mom, which, you know, it's been fine, it's been great, but it's just a big adjustment when you go from living with just, you know, your four family. It's a lot, okay? It's a lot for all of us, and it's just really sad to say goodbye to this house. It's really sad, especially because this house is just like so updated and ready to go, and now we're in a house that has a lot of work to be done. It's just overwhelming and sad. But you know, hopefully as time goes on, the other house will start to feel more like home. We'll make it a home, and ultimately we were outgrowing this house anyway, and now is definitely 100% the best time for us to sell the house financially wise. But anyways, with all that being said, we are going to give this house one last cleaning today. Today is Sunday and closing day is on Tuesday, so I just wanted to clean the house and make it nice and clean for the new owners. So like I said, I'm gonna be doing some voiceovers, kind of talking to you guys about everything throughout this video. So I hope you guys stick along and enjoy. And I just want to say real quick, a big huge thank you to all of you who are still here on my channel, because I know I am like the worst at posting sometimes, and I just appreciate all of you who have been supporting me throughout this whole journey. I appreciate and love you guys so much. Anyways, let's go ahead and get to cleaning. Okay, so full disclosure, before we get into everything here, I did not have a whole lot of cleaning supplies with me, so you're gonna see me using the same thing throughout the whole house. But I did want to spray everything down with some Clorox bleach spray because I wanted to disinfect everything before the new owners came in. So that's just what I'm using throughout the whole house, and it does make the house smell so clean. Something about some bleach that just makes things smell so clean. But this isn't typically the kind of cleaning spray I would use. I just feel like it's good when you really want to do some damage with the cleaning, you know, really disinfect everything. But anyways, I am just starting in the kitchen. I'm gonna wipe everything down from the inside of the cabinets to the appliances, countertops, you know, just outside of the cabinets. Just really make sure everything is nice and clean. So while I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and talk to you guys a little bit about life here. So if you follow me on Instagram, if you don't, it's at TRISTINAROSEYT. Follow me over there, because especially when I don't post here as frequently, I do still continue to post over there. And I had asked you guys a few questions over there because ever since we've moved into our new house, old house, if you're new here, it's my childhood home that we basically got given to us, but my mom still lives with us. She has her own room and we have the whole house. But it is just genuinely such a fixer-upper home, and my next video is going to be a before tour before we do anything, so you guys will see like what I'm saying then really in that video. But it just makes it really hard to make me want to film, because like, okay, I don't really know how to explain it, but like even just like the background, like when I'm filming in the house I'm cleaning in now, you know, it's nice and bright and airy and it just looks pretty. But then when I try to film in our new house, there's just so much work everywhere that needs to be done. I just feel like it looks so rough, and like, yeah, we're fully moved in now, but we are not anywhere near settled in, you know, like we're moved in, but like walls aren't painted yet. We have holes patched everywhere. The floors are like one of my biggest things. There's just a lot of work to be done, and I was, I guess, almost having doubts about wanting to film with all the work because it's not like that typical, I guess, YouTube background. Like usually you click on someone's YouTube video and you watch them decorate this nice pretty house, I feel like, and that's just not going to be the case anymore. So I asked you guys over on Instagram if you still want to see everything or if I should wait until we get things together more, and I think there was only one person who said to wait. Everyone else said that you guys would rather see the whole process, and then I had a lot of personal DMs about it saying that you feel it's more realistic to see the whole process because a lot of us start off in, you know, these more average homes and don't start off in, you know, thousands of square footage, beautifully, perfectly done. Although I wish that's how easy it was. But with that being said, I am super excited to bring you guys along the process of making our new house a home. I know it's going to be years before we actually get, like, you know, where we want to be, and lots of little projects along the way, but I'm super excited to share it with you all. And I will say, you know, fall decorating is right around the corner. Typically, I would already be doing fall videos, but because of how life's been, it's just been hard. And obviously the house isn't going to be fully finished for not even close to where I want it to be. So I'm going to decorate with what it is now. And I guess just like, you know, over the years, it'll be kind of fun because it's going to be like new slates of decoration each year while I am redoing stuff and everything. So my point here is I've been a little unsure of, you know, how I wanted to do everything, but we're doing it. Okay, we're doing it. Quick little life update break to talk about my liquid IV drink I am making now. You guys, if you don't drink liquid IV, I am highly recommending it. I swear to you, I've been drinking this for years now, way before they reached out to me. And now that I have a promo code, I am just like so pumped about it, because I literally drink a liquid IV every day. It is a hydration multiplier, so you get like 3 bottles of water basically in one. There's so many amazing flavors. Today I was drinking tropical punch, and like it just genuinely, I don't know, I truly notice a difference in myself when I don't get enough water, and this just like really makes you feel like you're getting all your water in. And I mean, obviously you have to drink more water on top of it, but it's also like if you're in the like craving for something with a taste, I love that I can go and get a liquid IV instead of, you know, going for, I guess, a less healthy option. Like I said, today I was drinking tropical punch, and that is my current favorite. Anyways, I do have a promo code now. It's TRISTINAROSEYT 25 or TRISTINAROSEYT 25. I'm not exactly sure, but I'm gonna leave it down below for you guys. You get 25% off and free shipping. I actually just last night ordered a new 2 new packs for myself. So 2 new packs would have originally been $46, and with my code I ended up only paying, I think it was $33. So you definitely save some money. You can buy this in stores, but you save money and you have more options buying it online. So definitely check that link out down below. Anyways, I feel like I have so much to talk about in today's video that you guys are probably sick of hearing my voice now and just want to hear music. I am now just wiping down everything in the dining room and living room. Those rooms weren't bad, so I'm just wiping down all the windows, the windowsills, walls, if there's any, you know, little fingerprints, everything like that. The light fixture definitely had some cheese doodle fingerprints on it from my kids climbing on the table, so I wiped that down. And then I'm gonna head into the bathroom and clean in there.
I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you.
Another reason why it is good to go through and clean all the cabinets and stuff is because I didn't even know any of this was under here. Literally didn't know any of this was under here at all. And I also found a few things in the kitchen as well. So it's just good to go through, clean everything, make it clean for them, you know, go through everything for yourself. But now that I let you guys listen to music for a little bit, let's get back to talking here. So another issue, I guess that you could say I've been having is that I just have not had motivation. Like, genuinely, I feel like for like the past year, my motivation level has been so much lower than it once was. And I don't know, life just, you know, life is just crazy. But especially the past like 4 months or so, there has been a lot going on, obviously, from my dad passing away to moving houses to, you know, just so much going on. And it's just made it very hard for me to find the motivation. I don't know. It's just been a lot. But I am really having, you know, the realization lately that it is all mind over matter, and I'm not going to get anywhere by just sitting here and not chasing my goals. So I'm gonna try to start, you know, again, putting how I know I should be doing over how I'm feeling and just get to work. I would love to put out 2 videos a week. I don't want to say I'm putting out 2 videos a week just in case, but like that is what I would love to do. Realistically, I've been at this for so many years, and I really need to try my hardest to get where I want to be. And if I fail then, at least I can say I tried. Right now, I can't even really truly say that I've tried because I've never been super consistent or anything like that. And so me not being where I want to be is really on me. So that is just like another thing that I've been trying to put in my head lately, is that life is just too short to sit around and wait for things to happen. You need to work for them to happen. So with that being said, I really do hope to bring more content to you guys the rest of this year and for the whole next year. I just really want to attempt to hustle, put out everything that I'm doing around the house, you know, any projects we have, any decor we're doing. I really want to get all of that out for you guys and try my hardest. So if there's anything specific that you'd want to see on this journey, please let me know. But again, I appreciate you all for being here and sticking through with me with everything I do. I think that, you know, let's just sum it up as that, because I could definitely keep talking forever, but I don't want to talk your ears off. So as you guys saw, I carpet cleaned upstairs, and then I was just using this little carpet brush. It's an upholstery brush. I don't remember what it's called, and it ran out, but it works amazing. So I just did that on the stairs instead of having to haul the carpet cleaner up and down. And then I'm just going to give these floors one last good scrub. And these floors, you guys, is one of the things I'm going to miss the most. I love these hardwood floors so much. I love the color of them and everything. And that is something that this house we're in now is definitely lacking, is the flooring. The flooring is lacking everywhere. We did already redo the downstairs flooring, but there's just so many different types of flooring in the house. Upstairs, you guys just wait. There is lots of projects ahead of us, I'm telling you. That video should be out on Friday for you guys, is my hope. Again, I don't want to say anything and like promising, because I hate when I say something and then it doesn't happen, but I'm hoping for it to be up by Friday. If not, next week. Let's just be realistic here. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna miss the floors. One thing I'm not gonna miss though is those heaters that run around the perimeter of every room. The kids would always knock those things down. Oh my gosh, so annoying. They always fell down constantly from the kids running their toys into them, climbing on them, all of that fun stuff. So I will not miss that.
Turning off the cruise control and take
as we finish these floors up here, I am about to put in some footage that genuinely made me so emotional. But some 2018 from when we bought this house to 2022 footage showing you guys some befores and afters. We bought it when Brayden wasn't even 2 yet, so there he is, so little, and now he's gonna be 6 soon, so it's just so crazy. And then just seeing, you know, the differences. This room didn't have a whole lot of differences, but as we get in there, it's crazy to see everything, and to think of all the memories that were made. And this is our first house that we ever bought together, our first house ever. So it's just so emotional. It's so emotional. We went from an apartment to living with Floyd's mom to the house that you guys are seeing now. The bathroom was one of my favorites in the whole house. And now to my childhood home and redoing that. And it's just, it's so bittersweet. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you stick around for all that is yet to come. Here is when we got the keys to when we are dropping the keys off. Oh, so emotional. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.